Will you ever want to go back to the life of a pig after living a human life? Kishan Naik, understand, if you have experienced the life of a human being, you would not like to go back to the life of a pig or a stone. So, sannyas life is a space of sannyas. If you experience that, you will never feel like going back. If somebody feels like going back, they have changed the rope, they have not changed the space. Sannyas as a deeper dimension, it is changing the space, not changing the rope. As I said before starting the satsang, it is so unfortunate. We Hindus lost respect on the whole space, the possibility. That is, I just see the simple logic. We are able to produce thousands of IT engineers and send them to US and America, US and Europe. See, US and Europe is filled with Indian IT engineers. In Microsoft, you can write programs in Telugu and Tamil. Everyone will understand. Because filled with Telugu and Tamilians. All over the world, we are able to produce so many IT engineers and able to send. We have not bothered to produce Hindu PhDs, Hindu doctorates to send for head Hinduism chairs all over the world. It is not that the Hinduism chair professor does not get paid. He gets paid more than an IT engineer. We never had a confidence that our religion is worthy of teaching. That is where the problem starts. We never had a confidence. This can be lifestyle. This can be the life and lifestyle. It is so sad. The modern youth think IT field is their life and career, but they do not get the confidence. Living and enriching the world of the Hindu tradition can be a career, can be a life, fulfilling. And West should have learned Hinduism from Hindus. Then even this question will not come. This question is from such a weak space. Such weak space. The question would not have come if we have the strength about our tradition and religion. So understand, many times I feel the whole US is filled with Indian doctors. Something like 60,000 Indian doctors are there in US. The American Association of Physicians of Indian origin has 60,000 members. Every year, thousands get visa. And almost 1% of the US population is Indians. But still, not a single US university has an Hindu heading Hinduism chair. Means, understand, the confidence we have on our religion and the confidence we have on teaching it. Even if they get paid, nobody takes up this line. That's the reason I am creating Rishikul, where I'll create at least 10,000 PhDs on Indology, on Hinduism, and see to it they are placed all over the world. We have sent enough of yoga teachers to the world. We have sent enough of yoga gurus to West, enough of IT engineers to West. It is time we send Indology PhDs, PhDs on Hinduism, doctorates on Hinduism, to head Hinduism chairs. Doctorates does not need, the people who are supposed to head the Hinduism chairs does not need to be sannyasis. But even for that, we don't have strength. It is so sad. That is the reason we ask this weak question. It's almost